Dumpster Solutions NW, a premier waste management company, offers unparalleled services that exemplify excellence in waste disposal. With a commitment to environmental sustainability and customer satisfaction, we have established ourselves as the foremost choice for dumpster rental solutions in the Pacific Northwest. At Dumpster Solutions NW, we believe in harmonizing efficiency with eco-friendliness, transcending conventional waste management norms. Our fleet of top-of-the-line dumpsters, available in various sizes, ensures that every project is manageable for us to handle. Whether you're embarking on a home renovation construction project or need to declutter your space, Dumpster Solutions NW is your trusted partner. We are here to simplify waste management challenges and help you positively impact the environment. For inquiries and bookings, you can reach us at 206-255-0095, where our dedicated team of experts is poised to provide you with expert guidance and personalized solutions to meet your specific needs. Our website, accessible at www.dumpstersolutionsnw.com, is an invaluable resource, offering comprehensive information on our services, rental options, and pricing details. Dumpster Solutions NW is your gateway to hassle-free waste disposal, where we transform your waste into an opportunity for environmental stewardship. Join us in our mission to foster a cleaner, greener future while experiencing the utmost convenience and professionalism in dumpster rental services.